In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Upwork. If you're tired of back and forth messages and time zone confusion, Upwork's built-in scheduler makes it simple to propose times and get a meeting on the calendar quickly. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork site from the results. Once you're on the platform, navigate to Messages. You'll find it in the main navigation, and it's where all your conversations and tools for scheduling live. Open the specific message thread where you want to schedule a meeting so you're setting availability for the right person. At the bottom of that chat window, look for the small calendar note icon in the message composer. It typically sits near the attachment or emoji buttons. Click that to open the scheduler. A window labeled Share Your Availability will appear. Before anything else, confirm the time zone displayed at the top. If it's not correct, select the time zone you actually want to use. This one step prevents the most common scheduling mistakes. Next, choose the days and time ranges you can meet. Think about your real calendar and add options that you know you can keep. Offering a couple of windows across different parts of the day can help the other person find a match quickly. Keep buffers around meetings so you're not rushing, and stick to hours when you're at your best. When you've set your availability, click Next. You'll then choose a meeting duration. Pick what fits the goal of the call: 15 minutes for a quick sync, 30 minutes for a standard intro or scoping chat, 45 minutes for deeper discussions, or 60 minutes for detailed walkthroughs or planning. Select the length that makes sense for you and the other person. Now click Send. Upwork will post your availability in the chat so the recipient can select a time. Once they choose, you'll both see the confirmed slot right in the conversation. If plans change, just repeat the process and send updated availability. A few helpful tips to wrap up. Always double-check your time zone if you've traveled or are using a VPN. Keep your availability aligned with your actual calendar to avoid double booking. And consider adding a brief note in the chat with an agenda or any materials to review so everyone arrives prepared. And that's it. You searched for Upwork, opened Messages, went to the right conversation, clicked the calendar note icon, shared your availability with the correct time zone, picked your days and times, hit Next, chose a duration, and sent it. You're ready to schedule meetings on Upwork with confidence.